where are we going, man? What's the plan?
So now we are going to Gratto Jalebi, one of the iconic sweet dishes of Rawalpindi.
Yum.
And let's see how does the Pindi style jalebi comes up to be as compared to the Delhi style.
I'll tell you that exactly. I've eaten jalebi everywhere.
Perfect then. So you already know a good jalebi. What does it taste like, right?
Yeah.
So just test it for me, judge it if it is good enough.
Then it has to be the big thick one, okay?
It will be the big thick one. That's how it is.
Okay, good.
This is the good part because
good.
All around Rawalpindi, everywhere, there are those thin jalebis.
Yeah. I don't eat thin jalebi, man.
But the good thing about this is that it is that thick one. Good. And you know what is the funny part is that there used to be just one Gratto Jalebi.
Achha.
Now within that area there are 5 to 6 counterfeit shops shopping the same name. But yes, our driver knows the pure, the one which is real,
the original.
Yeah, the original. So he is gonna take us there.
Alright, I'll tell you guys which is better, the Indian jalebi or the Pakistani jalebi. Let's find out.
So for now it is just a challenge for us to just like sprawl through the traffic. But once we make it there, we are then gonna get you on camera again.
Hanji. So this is the original jalebi spot, and there's a massive queue here right now. Hello. Assalamu alaikum ji. And so this is the this is the original store here. Assalamu alaikum ji. And yeah, it's nice, big and thick jalebis. Really big, thick jalebi. Bro, the funny thing is, there's a massive queue here, and the other shops there's no queue.
It's all empty.
So what's the point in copying? People know the original store and they know the best store basically to go to.
But some people actually fall for those shops as well.
Yeah, actually, people who don't know.
And you can just make an idea that how many people actually fall for those shops, that they are also earning a decent living out of.
There's like 5 shops just along here. Do they have the same name?
Yeah, there will be just one down additional. Someone is gonna be Asal Gratto. Someone's gonna be Asil Gratto. Someone's gonna be Original Gratto. Someone's gonna be the Gratto.
The new.
Yeah.
The new Gratto.
Exactly, the new Gratto. Yes, the hybrid Gratto.
These guys are just going hard. They just keep making new, more and more and more. Okay, I got some jalebi. Oh, it's a thick one. Perfect.
How is it?
I'm trying to think how to say this politely to you. How can I say this in a way where it's not going to beat me up?
Why? Is it so bad?
No, it's not bad, but you need to try the Indian jalebi, the big thick Indian jalebi, bro. You need to try.
Okay. I got it.
I like it though. It's different, that's what it is. So this is more crispy than Indian jalebi, and it's more thick. Like the coating is really thick. The Indian jalebi is a little more thin and like more gooey in the middle.
More gooey. And what about the sweetness? Is it like the balanced sweet, or is it more sweety than this one?
More sweet.
More sweet.
Yeah.
Got it. So out of 5, how many stars? 3?
I give it 4, and I give Indian jalebi 5 out of 5.
Got it. I have an idea. So they actually need to up their game.
No, maybe people like it.
You can just have an idea. Look, that you never finish it.
Yeah. And I've met some more of my subscribers here. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Gilgit-Baltistan.
They're from Skadu.
It's been a pleasure meeting Mr. Karl from New Zealand, who is currently in Pakistan to
eat jalebi.
To eat the Gratto Jalebi here on the Murray Road. So it's very grateful. So
thank you, bro. Thank you
so much, Mr. Karl.
Nice meeting you, Karl.
It's a nice meeting,
guys. See you later.
See you later, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.